Cobots perfectly complete human work. See what cobots like to do. The low-cost and simple visual programming of cobots makes them well-suited for production in small bursts. Side by side with humans, cobots are capable of performing boring and tedious tasks for them, from packing through lifting, moving, precise feeding of workpieces, or removing items from garbage cans. They are excellent for working in non-human-friendly environments. They run non-stop in damp and dusty clean rooms, as well as ESD zones. Fitted with cameras and various types of scanners, cobots are like perfect quality control workers or testers. Thanks to their precision, they can conduct laboratory tests for humans. Cobots protect humans' health by helping them side by side with complex tasks. What else can cobots do? We can meet them at all stages of manufacturing. Increasingly, they are used outside the production industry, for instance, in services or in the medical field. When it comes to selecting tasks for cobots, we are only restricted by our ingenuity and accessible tools. Subscribe to our channel. You will see how to robotize large, medium, and small enterprises. Contact us. We offer top-quality robots and a comprehensive service.